Is there an answer to high stress work environment, increased suicide rates, and overall unhappiness with the life in the city? I am going to tell you about few scenarios which might sound familiar to you. If yes, then you must try forest bathing and experience the health benefits of this practice. Let's start with scenario number 1. You work in a high stress desk job, are not very active, and have trouble in sleeping. Number 2. You have a history of heart disease in your family and are worried that you aren't doing enough to keep yourself healthy. Number 3. You feel yourself becoming sadder, more stressed, or anxious. Number 4. You're always tired, seem to get sick all the time, and you can't seem to get enough energy to get through the day. Number 5. You are a student who is trying to make it through finals but feels like the stress that you aren't experiencing is hurting you in ways that you can't even describe. Number 6. You feel unmotivated and frustrated, or as if you are just going through the motions of life without really enjoying the day-to-day moments. Hello everyone, my name is Medansh and welcome to Simply Plants. This is the second episode of forest bathing, and in this video we will be talking about why is it so important. So let's get started. The mental and physical health benefits that forest bathing promotes can help you better handle some of the obstacles mentioned above that stand in your way. The best part of forest therapy is that it can be experienced anywhere in the world as long as there are trees. An individual doesn't necessarily have to be in a forest. It can be experienced anywhere in nature, from a garden to a nearby park, or even by diffusing essential oils at home. There are some elements in nature that benefit both the body and the mind, but unfortunately these elements are in short supply in most towns and cities. Whether the practice is referred to Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing, or forest therapy, the science behind the practice remains the same. Therefore, the ideology behind this practice is that the only way to experience the health benefits of nature is by walking through a forest. It is believed that forest bathing is used by humans for thousands of years. It may or may not have been intentional, but you will agree as long as humans spend time in nature, they reap physical and mental health benefits of forest therapy. An American scientist formulated a thesis explaining why nature positively affects human beings regardless of where they are from. Evolutionary biologist Edward O. Wilson published Biophilia in 1984, which provided explanations for the biological urge that compels humans to spend time in nature. Medical researcher Roger Ulrich published a study about how views through a window may influence recovery after surgery. According to a decade of records from a hospital in Philadelphia, patients with views of nature from their windows generally recovered faster than those who stared at city buildings. Forest had already generated scientific and medical interest in the 20th century when the initial study specifically into forest therapy. How forest therapy works? There isn't really a right or a wrong way to practice forest therapy. The only requirements are that you walk in the forest, take time to breathe deeply, and make a conscious effort to leave your troubles behind. Many people choose to do this by hiking or camping, while others wander forest without a plan. Both methods allow individuals to reap the same benefits that forest bathing provides. Generally, one should plan to spend at least a few hours in the forest every day. The longer that you spend time in the nature, the better you will feel. Now that we all have understood that nature has beneficial biological effects, it is important to know what factors of forest contribute to these health benefits. Forest therapy works on our five senses: relax with sight, de-stress with sound, let go with smell, unwind with touch, and reflect with taste. The benefits that come from spending time in nature are both mental and physical. No matter which benefits you are interested in, the more time you spend in nature, the more impressive the results will be. The ability of forest bathing is to reduce stress and anxiety in addition to improving mood. The practice has shown to increase focus, boost energy, and promote a more positive outlook on life. Remember that the environment in which humans evolved were very rich in trees. So it makes sense that humans would have a symbiotic relationship with trees. Hope by now you would have understood the importance of forest bathing. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new videos. Thank you for watching this video.